Welcome to Unfiltered Lives. Today's day is very special for us. It's our first podcast, Unfiltered, and the podcast is not just about identity, it's about living in truth, courage, dignity in a world which does not make life easy for someone who wants to go irrational with the mass. Today, I have someone uh, who's dynamic, bold, gorgeous, beautiful, Anita ji. Hello, Anita ji, how are you?
Hi. Hi, Harsh.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good
Good
morning.
morning. And so, let me tell you, what are you today?
What am I today? I'm a human rights activist. Basically, I work on transgender rights. Basically, I'm a human being. Firstly, people should acknowledge that we are all human beings. So, I consider myself a human being with human qualities.
And how are you feeling today? Can you give me a breakup? What does LGBTQ plus community mean to you?
LGBTQ is an umbrella, it's a transgender umbrella. So that's lesbians, bisexuals, G is gays, B is bisexuals, transsexuals, T LGBT, Q is Q, that is gender queer. I is intersex, plus A is asexual, plus there are many more. Like suppose you get into Facebook, you get when they ask you about your gender identity, they there are almost 108 identities there. So in those 108 identities, all these come along.
Some personal questions
Please.
can get nasty.
Yes.
You can tell me, Harsh, this is my line.
Yes.
That's not possible. Okay? I have a set of questions.
Yes.
Okay. If you're not comfortable, you can skip. You can
Yes.
say skip. Okay. When did you first realize your identity? And what did that moment feel like for you?
Around 12.
Okay. 12 years.
Yes.
And what did you feel?
People have different identities. This is my identity.
Okay. What is the hardest part of accepting yourself, internally or socially?
Internally, how I've been made, so I started accepting myself. Socially, I try to create awareness so that people have a better nudge on what are these identities.
Okay.
Because people are always fixated to binary identity.
Yes. Only two, male, female, that's it. How did you come up with this to your family and your close friends? And how did they react when you came out?
I told that we should not have a bias towards trans. They are different gender. Just it's a common thing. 90% of the people say that there are only two genders. That's male and female. But then there are other genders. Even in animals, when they have done research, there are other genders also there. So if they are in animals, we are part of an evolved series of animals. So we have the same. We also have different identities in human beings.
Okay. What's one stereotype about the queer community that you're tired of hearing? कि बस कर दे यार.
वो टेढ़ा है, अलग है, देखो कैसे, वो छक्का है, ये है, वो है. नहीं है. हम लोग भी इंसान हैं. We are also human beings.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So first
You
we
be
are
the same
human.
way.
First we are human. And who created all these identities? Give me a break, yaar. Who created all these identities? Human beings only, no? You got fixated saying that male and female. So I just started saying that दो ही gender है. It's been carried on from long time immemorable. So वो ऐसे ही स्टैम्प लगी हुई है. It's not like that. Now we are evolving. The new technologies coming. When we can inculcate, bring new technologies, why can't we broaden our view and think, ये नहीं है, दूसरा भी है, तीसरा भी है, चौथा भी है. होगा ना? ये नहीं कि you just streamline yourself कि दो ही है इस दुनिया में.
But technology तो नया आ रहा है. It's coming every day new, right? Like you said.
वैसे ही
But this was God given.
yes, this is God given.
God given, and we took so much time to even accept the transgender for that
And the
matter.
reason is, see, हमारा एक ऊपर वेस्टर्न कल्चर का इन्फ्लुएंस बहुत है. इसमें रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट की एलोकेशन ही नहीं है. There is no allocation of resources for this. Reason why? Because it doesn't create any remuneration. अगर फॉरेन कंट्री में कुछ रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट करे इसके ऊपर, तो उसका फार्मेसी को कुछ फायदा होनी है. Because some tablet or some medicine or something has to come and it has to create remuneration. इसमें तो it's not going to create remuneration because at birth time or before birth this has to be done. Something has to be done before that. कि ये कैसे हो रहा है उसका ऊपर ही there is no proper research on it. So till date, fine.
Because I think if it's God given,
Yes.
your hormones are God given.
Yes.
Okay. Everything is God given.
Yes.
So why not accept it? Is my say to the society, everybody looking at this podcast. Let's broaden our view. Okay. Technology नया आ रहा है, develop कर रहा है. They're already developed by the Almighty.
Yes.
Is what I believe. Next question for you is. Have you ever felt unsafe or silent because of your identity? What happened?
Many times we feel unsafe. All the time, in fact, we feel very unsafe because of our identity. Because there's no awareness in the society. As I said, 99% of the people, 99.99% of the people are fixated on this binary system, male or female. So then obviously you're all the time unsafe. All the time unsafe. There's no safety because you always live in a closet. Like you put a mask. कि हम ये नहीं है कि ये सोसाइटी को यही दिखाना हम दूसरा है. We are बाहर एक है अंदर एक है. All the time, all of the people, they put a mask unless they are very ready to come out and say this. The mask in front. हम सोसाइटी के लिए एक है, हमारा अंदर एक है, हम दूसरा है. This is how it's even till date, even 2026. This is how it is.
Okay, I got your point. So you're living a mask wala zindagi.
Yes, mask वाला जिंदगी वही सच्ची. इसीलिए they put pride. Why should pride come? कि हम भी जिंदा हैं दिखाने के लिए. हम भी people come out and say what we are. Why did pride come?
So then,
We are proud to be what we are.
yes, that's why you have to be unfiltered.
Pride shouldn't be. Why should there be pride?
You should always be proud of yourself.
Yes, everyone is like, do normal binary people come and say that we are man and we are woman and then we have to be? No. There is no pride march for them. Yeah. Yes.
And they breathe the same oxygen.
Yes, exactly.
Your pay taxes, they pay taxes.
अरे आपकी एक नाक है, मुंह है, दो आंखें हैं, दो हाथ है, दो पाँव है, सारी एक ही है ना? And the same blood flows.
What does pride mean to you beyond celebrations and rainbow flags?
Reason is pride इसीलिए कहते हैं कि हम एक सोसाइटी में एक we are part of the society. We are here, so rights हैं, recognize us. We make it an inclusive society. कि हम हमेशा जिंदगी भर ये pride करते रहे. We don't want to do the pride. We don't want to do the pride. Once we are included in the society, हमको दूसरी तरफ छक्का है, वो है, देखो कैसे पैदल चल रहे, कैसे वो देखो कैसे चल रहे, ये नहीं है. So when people recognize कि अरे इंसान क्यों दूसरा हमारे जैसे ही, then there is no problem. There is no problem.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we don't want to connect pride. Pride connect करनी है.
Okay. The question is, you answered really well.
Yes.
That there's no meaning.
हर्ष मैं यही पूछ रही हूँ आपकी फ्रेंडशिप जो कर रहे हैं. Suppose I'm making a friendship. I don't see color. I don't see caste. I don't see what he is. We don't have any restrictions in friendship. Why do you give a law, a legalized system for this love? Love is universal. There are different types of love. Why are you putting a taboo on it?
You've answered it too good. You are speechless, to be very honest. Okay. How do you deal with internalized guilt, shame, or societal pressure?
Yeah. Well, my it's a real suffocation, I would say. Like, you always want to be open about it, but then we are clustered. I would say we are cloistered and we are put into a closet कि आप ऐसे ही रहो. So people don't want to accept us. And this is kind of an internal conflict within you that you want to do something but you can't do. You want to say something, you can't say. So it's such a big struggle within ourselves. अगर आप दूसरी बाहर कुछ लोगों से स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं वो अलग चीज है कि अरे भाई ऐसा नहीं है तो बोल के उसको खत्म कर सकते हैं. लेकिन if it's an internal struggle that you can't express, तो कितनी परेशानी है आपका. टैबलेट्स लेते कुछ लोग वीट खाते हैं, कुछ लोग डिप्रेशन के लिए टैबलेट्स लेते हैं, कुछ लोग दारू पी लेते हैं, कुछ लोग दूसरे दूसरे चीजें करता है. Why? Then there is again criminal activity, social restrictions, everything comes in. And legal restrictions, all these things. Why do that? Why don't we make this an inclusive society? Why do we put taboos on love?
Your next question is, what's something you wish straight or CIS people understand better about the pure experience?
Sorry, come again.
What is something you wish straight, okay, people understand better about the pure experience?
What I wish is people, there is more awareness. The government should bring out some kind of policy, because when you say the government brings out some policy, then if it is not at least 100% accomplished, at least 80, 60, 70% they will put it into. So government should bring policy and they should make sure that these policies are running within the society. They are being moving. They are being action oriented. So these things have to be done. If it is not action oriented, you bring any number of policies, the system will be the same. So there should be some action orientation, there should be some leverage, and there should be something that is streamlined and some governing body that sees that all these laws are being
Into action.
Yes.
What's something you wish straight people understand better about the pure community and pure experiences?
They should be more empathetic. अगर हम वैसे हैं तो हम क्या चाहते हैं. So people should be more empathetic. They're all human beings. Human beings, people who have human qualities and human rights. By virtue of being a human being, you assume some rights. So we're all human beings. क्या भी gender हो, क्या भी sexuality हो, फिर भी हम लोग इंसान हैं ना. To be empathetic, understand. ये लोग भी हैं, ये लोग भी इंसान हैं. तो इन लोगों को क्या परेशानी है, हम सोच सकते हैं कि lend a ear to them. This is what it is. Nothing else. Just be empathetic. You don't need to be sympathy. Sympathy is the last thing you can give any person. You just need to be empathetic. That's all.
I guess empathy is only what you can
Yes.
do. Sympathy से better है मर जाना better.
वही,
देखिए भाई
वही,
तेरे
वही,
तरस पे नहीं
वही.
is
Sympathy is the last
what I
thing you can
believe for
give
every
any
human.
person. Yes.
For any human.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. If you could speak to your younger self,
Yes.
what would you tell to your younger self, younger Anita?
I would say that I should have been more open, tell my parents these things कि हम ऐसे हम लोग ऐसे महसूस हो रहे हैं कि most of the time not होता है. जब when we understand we are this, we actually hide the fact that we are this, and we try to come be one of the binary system. But then if we are more open and we talk to them, well, there's one more question, one more thing I feel insecure, because those days there's not much awareness as it is now. When you talk about maybe 10-20 years back, those days there's not much awareness as it is now. But then I would feel as a young Anita would be more open, tell our parents about it, and parents would accept this, and they would be like, treat us like any other child.
Okay, you told your parents at 12.
Yes.
Okay. How younger could junior Anita could tell her parents? 12 is something that is...
No,
Because you know what?
No, I didn't tell them at 12.
Okay.
I just came to know at 12.
Okay, you felt like inside 12. Because
Yeah.
then I was just comparing one thing. Warren Buffett started investing when he was 13.
Yes.
He
yes.
said I was late.
Yes.
And I was just thinking, if Anita told her parents when she was 12,
Yes.
Young Anita told her parents when she was 12. How younger could Anita tell? So yeah, you experienced at 12. Okay, that's good. One thing I want to ask you: how difficult is for your community?
Yes.
I I'm not liking the word using community,
Yes.
but I'm using it with.
But still, it's a minority. Whatever, whether it's said and done, it's a minority. Like you have any other minority, language minorities, sexual minorities, you have gender minorities. It's a minority. You have physically challenged minorities. They are also a minority. All the whole community is not physically challenged, or all the whole community is not sexually challenged, all the whole community is not gender. So still, we are a minority.
No, my question is how difficult is for pride community to get a job?
Nowadays, there are openings for jobs. Very various big MNCs are opening for it. It's not difficult to get, but then still there is still that bias. Whether they say, okay, we are open, we are broad-minded, we are opening, we are bringing out openings for the trans community, but still it is not as it is in paper, as it is in black and white. Let's be frank.
Okay, and I'll just ask you because you are the human rights activist for this community. What percentage is a taxpayer for the government of India to know that they are taxpayer guys? Let's open up for the society. For the first is for the society to open their eyes, and second for the government. Okay, they are taxpayers. They are not living on anybody's money or free funds or any schemes for the community. You're working your bread and butter out. Is what I feel. I don't know. It's my first encounter, and I'm very happy like that. That I met you last time at the parade.
Yes.
I loved it.
Thank you.
Yeah. So what do you think? What percentage is it?
What I didn't get to comment.
Like Modi ji tells, okay, 140 करोड़ भारतीय
हाँ जी. हाँ जी.
में क्या परसेंटेज है अपना प्राइस?
I would say white community 140 में 1% or 2% होगा.
1%. 1% is huge. Okay. It is huge. It's like 1 crore, 1 crore 40 lakhs.
It's 14 lakhs.
नहीं,
1 crore 40 lakhs, 1% is
140 crore की आबादी में.
but
1 crore 40 lakhs is huge.
yes.
It's time for some eye
And
opener.
this 1 crore 40 lakhs में शायद 60 to 70% people, I would say 40% people are only open. All the others are under the roof. इसमें सर्जन्स है, जर्नलिस्ट है, बड़े बड़े पोस्ट में लोग हैं, और डायरेक्टर्स हैं, प्रोफेसर्स हैं, बहुत सारे लोग.
They are not open.
They are not open. They
Okay.
wish they would be open because the society will not accept it. That is the reason we are asking for an inclusive society.
Do you think, like you mentioned, a doctor
Yes.
or a court lawyer
Yes,
or a judge or or anybody from the community, the big community,
Yes.
okay, has a shame of coming up to
Yes.
you
Yes.
and tell you that this is what I am.
Yes.
One,
Yes.
with a fear of failure in his career. कि मेरा career चला जाएगा.
Yes. Yes. See, when I conducted a seminar on sex, gender, and sexuality, if they said this in the history of the university, no one has conducted such a seminar, and I was banged up till 12 in the night, 1 o'clock. मैं हम सेक्स के बारे में बात करते थे, आप सेक्सुअलिटी के बारे में, अरे भाई ये रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट है, ये यूनिवर्सिटी में करना है, तो आप आके सुनिए ना क्या है करके, तभी पता चलती है क्या किस चीज़ का ऊपर ये चल रही है. So, and do you think that when in such kind of a society, people would accept the doctor मैं तो अरे भगवान अगर वो बोले तो वो like this, they don't have any respect. डॉक्टर भी हो, कोई भी हो, कुछ भी हो, अगर वो जज है भी ऐसे बोलता है. They stamp you. So this being into the binary system is a big thing, though we don't see it.
Is it easier way?
Yeah, it's an easier way.
Easier way.
Yes, the most easiest way.
So, just putting myself
Yes.
as if I am a
Yes.
okay, if I am a member of a bride
Yes.
or I'm bisexual, two conditions. Would अगर कोई बोलेगा कि मैं प्राइड का member है and I'm the best doctor on planet Earth
Yes.
for a heart surgery,
Yes.
would a bisexual person think going for a surgery or will he go for it? What do you think?
He will go for surgery. He will think, if he knows his identity, he may think,
नहीं,
but then,
मैं पेशेंट हूँ,
हाँ जी,
मेरे को पता चला डॉक्टर है bisexual
हाँ जी.
या gay है, but what the best doctor? Would he go for it?
Yes, because it is life threatening. देखिए हमारी जिंदगी हमको सबसे it is अमूल्य है, so definitely he will go.
So he won't even have a second thought कि जाऊँ
He will not have a second.
because he's
that's-
certified.
Yes, certified, and next thing is world famous, and then his life is हमारा. When it comes to life, then we don't see it. जी जब हमारा एक्सीडेंट हो गया, हमको कोई बचना है, तो ये नहीं सोचते वो ट्रांसजेंडर हो, वो बाइसेक्सुअल हो, नहीं सोचते है ना. See, we need some help at that time. Life, when you're threatened with your existence of your life, then वो problem नहीं है. जब when everything is okay and all, then the same suggestions नहीं वो तेरा. Again, if you're threatened with your life, your existence, then even the trans person is okay.
Okay. When like you said,
Yes.
you put it beautifully,
Yes.
Neeta ji, to be very honest. मतलब अगर मैं मर रहा है रास्ते पे,
Yes.
तो मेरे को इतना पता है कि मैं तभी ये नहीं पूछा ब्लड चाहिए, ट्रांस का है,
हाँ.
बाय था क्या, पूछना उसको कि गे था
जी
क्या,
वही.
कि बोले खून दे भाई, नेगेटिव है, ओ नेगेटिव है, दे देना प्लीज, मेरे को दे दे, मेरे को सिर्फ ब्लड चाहिए.
That's why.
So this is what Anita ji is like कि लाइफ का एंड हो रहा है तब मत सोचो. This is what I'm thinking.
Yes.
Accept us, welcome with both hands, greet us, feel our warmth. We are beautiful. Is what I gauged. Okay.
Yes.
I gauge what you were trying to say, and this is what I would also tell the society and everybody watching it. Okay. And even one person changing his thoughts and opening with his arms open. Trust me, every human is beautiful. It's not who they are. It's humanity is beautiful. It is lovely. Is my take on it.
I agree with you very much, Manish. I'm so happy that you have done this podcast today. Yes. Because